Mix Coke and soap. I was surprised with the result. This will be the most effective soap in removing stains from your cooking pots and utensils. To start this tip today, I will use a soap. We will also use a grater. It will be more practical to do so. To continue our mixture, we will grate the entire soap and then take to a pan, where we will continue the mixture. Now to mix with soap, we will add 600 milliliters of Coca-Cola. It is the secret of this soap. So effective! The compounds of Coca-Cola help to remove more easily all the dirt that gets impregnated, mainly in aluminum pots. To facilitate the dilution of the soap, we will also add 500 milliliters of water. Now just turn on low heat and stir until the soap melts while our pan is on fire. In another container, I will add half a cup of water and a tablespoon of salt. Here we will need to mix well until the salt completely dilutes in water. In our pan, I will now add the mixture containing salt and continue mixing. With this, we are already in the final process of preparing the product. Once we have this consistency in the product, I will put our mixture in these containers. That will also give the shape of our soap. After passing all the mixture to the containers, I will cover and take the refrigerator for a few hours so that it hardens the soap. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Beatrice Galvin. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. For sure this will be the most effective soap you have ever used in your life. Salt and Coke will bring ease in removing stains. For sure you have never used a soap so strong. To use it is very easy. Only apply the soap with the use of a sponge or steel sponge. Without much effort, any stain will come out of your pots. Then just rinse with running water, and you will see a shine in your pots. That did not have long. I hope you liked our tip today. For sure all the ingredients we use, you already have in your home, which will show you a great product with little cost. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.